What's up guys? Today's video is on the Xiaomi new 13 series, which includes the 13T and 13T Pro. For more information on the products, I'll include the links in the description box down below, which were updated for the best prices. So, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Let's kick things off with the design and build of the two smartphones. Both the 13T and 13T Pro feature a sleek, modern design with slim profiles. 13T measures 158.8x 74.7x 7.8 mm and weighs 188 grams, while the 13T Pro is slightly larger at 164.3x 74.6x 7.96 mm with weight 197 grams. Both models are IP53 certified for dust and splash resistant, adding durability to their premium designs. Moving on the display, both phones come with stunning AMOLED screen. The 13T series boasts a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with a pixel density of 409 pixels per inch, while the 13T Pro steps it up with a slightly larger 6.67-inch Quad HD Plus display with a pixel density of 395 pixels per inch. The Pro model also sports a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and animations, while the standard 13T has a 90Hz refresh rate. When it comes to performance, these devices are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon processors. The Xiaomi 13T sports the Snapdragon 870, which is a powerful chipset known for its gaming prowess and snappy performance. On the other hand, the 13T Pro gets a boost with the Snapdragon 888, offering even higher processing power with efficiency. Both phones handle multitasking and gaming effortlessly, but the Pro model has that extra large edge in performance for demanding tasks and games at the highest settings. Now let's talk about the photography. Xiaomi 13 smartphones are known for their impressive camera setups. The Xiaomi 13T features a versatile triple camera system with 64-megapixel primary sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The 13T Pro takes it a step further and quad camera setup, which includes a 108-megapixel primary sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and an additional depth sensor. Both phones offer excellent image quality, but the Pro model has more advanced features for photography assets, including better low-light performance and enhanced zoom capabilities. Batteries are crucial, especially for users on the go. The Xiaomi 13T comes with a respectable 4500 mAh battery, while the 13T Pro offers a larger 5000 mAh battery. Both phones support fast charging, with the 13T capable of 33-watt wired charging and the 13T Pro sporting 67-watt wired charging. This means that the Pro model not only has a larger battery but also charges significantly faster, ensuring you are back up to 100% in no time. Xiaomi's MIUI is known for its feature-packed interface. Both phones run our MIUI, offering a smooth and customizable user experience. They also come with a 5G support, ensuring you are feature-proofed for faster connectivity. MIUI provides features like app cloning, a robust dark mode, and a wealth of customization options to tailor your phone to your liking. The Xiaomi 13T is the more budget-friendly option, while the 13T Pro comes with a slightly higher start price. It ultimately comes down to your budget and your priorities in a smartphone. If you value top-tier performance and camera capabilities, the Pro might be worth the extra investment. The Xiaomi 13T and 13T Pro are both excellent choices. If you are on a tighter budget, the 13T is a still fantastic smartphone with impressive features. However, if you want the absolute best in the performance and camera capabilities, the 13T is the best way to go. So that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.